Hey guys, well, work has begun on the 65 Beetle. Let's see how we got there. It's team effort. I'd say probably only about 1,367 more spot welds to go, buddy.
5 more.
5 more?
5 more.
Punching out early tonight. Maybe someone's right. Was it UCC that said maybe I just enjoy? Oh yeah, cleaning out these cars. Where'd they get all that crap from? What do you think? How's that Napoleon's hat gonna look? I'm guessing bad. Let's see. Don't breathe that in now. Doesn't look horrible. We've seen worse. Did I say it doesn't look horrible? I forgot what I said, but do yourself a favor if you're buying a car and spending good money. Make sure you pull the carpet kit back and try and see what's going on in here. Clearly on this car, I could see the repair. I knew the channels were, you know, bad. I didn't know they weren't connected to the firewall. That's an interesting gap. Never seen that before. So that's bad.
It's totally fine. Way nicer than my car ever was.
It's times like these you got to start looking at the positives. I mean, check out this little tappy tap hammer. Jiminy. Oh yes, yes. Parked 26 years. Oh, it's snowing. Don't breathe that in. This is gonna be really, really bad. I don't want to fling that right back in my face. There. Oh, we've got one hole, but underneath that, there's nothing left. She's a beauty. Sound the horns. Bumper nose. Oh yeah, we got metal. I don't know if it's been replaced. And how'd the body tag fall off? But see, most sellers wouldn't have left you the little body hammer, so you could just check to see if the gas tank's bad. You know, they wouldn't have done that. This guy did. Yeah, that's really bad. Just tap on stuff and you'll know, is this safe to drive? And you'll know. That side's questionable. Let's check this side. See, right then and there, this area in here, that's gonna be a problem. He did say the gas tank rusted out. Well, he was right. By golly, he didn't lie about that. So we're back out here with the barn find 65, and what starts out as a pretty good deal, the more you get into it, it just starts to look like really just not so good of a deal.
It's really not that bad. It's you know, it's fine. It's just fine. Everything's fine.
There's a lot of firsts for me on this car. One of them being, I have never put a shop vac through the lower dash. Door's closed, pretty nice though. You gotta keep looking for those positives. And this car is a total sleeper. 1,300 badges, lift the deck lid. Oh yeah, 1,600 dual port, baby. Light them up. This deck lid takes the whole tennis ball trick to a new level. So like I said, always, if you have carpet in here, pull the carpet back. I mean, look at this. This is previous repair. That's good. And when we get back here, plenty more of that. You can see the hole over there. We've got a little ant farm going on in here. I made the mistake of stepping on this rocker. Well, see, that's what I'm talking about. Even if a car has carpet, go ahead and grab this with the carpet and squeeze. And when you hear all that crunching, yeah, you know. Don't worry about the integrity of the car with this. Just cut it off and we'll just rivet in some sheet metal in there. Still can't get over that. Not good. Calm down? Calm down? I paid way too much for this car. You want me to calm down? Let's start looking at the positives, shall we? We've got infinity speakers back here. I mean, let's check these out. Oh boy. USA Julie. I'm guessing that's his wife. Oh no, what do we got back here? I can see. Oh my God, what is in here? Guys, it's heavy. Oh my God, what is back there? We got the mother load. I think at this point, this could be the worst car I've ever brought home. Is that a club? Oh, it does have a softball in there. Not a baseball, but a softball. But when you get to be my age, you know, that's really, is that really a club? I think it is. Oh, it is. We don't have to worry about anybody stealing this one now, do we? Oh, we got Garfield in here. Garfield. Why am I making a bigger mess? I just cleaned this car out. What is that? Is that a freaking potato? What is that? What? Seriously, what is that? It's too small to be Wilson. Got a map. Oh, we got a big old clamshell. Maybe we had an otter or something living in here. So I think that's it. We're gonna go with worst car ever cleaned. Worst car ever brought home is this 1965 Beetle. I mean, is it really the worst? I don't know. You can say the Pinecone Beetle was pretty bad. But they had pine cones in it. There really wasn't much mouse activity. And we got to find out if that luggage tray is legit. Because if that's legit, that's a game changer. We can fix it. Alright, here's the deal. I make it, we fix it. I miss it, we send it. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Make sure you check out Dubworks' channel.
You should do it. It's cool.
He's wrapping up his 67 build. How much more do you got on that?
Not that much. Interior.
He's working at a body shop now, so. What do you think, Josh? Oh, short. He's planning to play dude perfect here. Rebound, rebound. Oh, close. One more. If I make it, it goes concours. Oh! No! Oh God, no!
Beautiful.
Oh no! All right, well, I don't know what just happened. I don't know what's gonna make it into the video, but thank you guys for checking out the 65 and the support of the channel. Comments, likes, can't say thank you enough. Check out my buddy Dubworks, link in the description. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys soon. All right, take care, guys. Oh man. Goes concours.
You said concours.
Did I even say it right?
Yeah, you did.
Did. Wow.
Concours.